No more long waits for PF withdrawals. Dear viewers, just tap, transfer and relax. The Employees Provident Fund Organization EPFO is set to introduce Provident Fund withdrawals via UPI and ATMs, making the process faster and more convenient for employees across India. This initiative has been approved by the Labour and Employment Ministry following a recommendation from the National Payments Corporation of India. With this system, PF members will soon be able to withdraw funds instantly using UPI and select their preferred bank account for transfers. The maximum withdrawal limit has been set at Rs 1 lakh, and members will also be able to view their PF balances directly on UPI platforms. The new system is expected to be implemented by the end of May or June this year. To further streamline the withdrawal process, EPFO has expanded options beyond regular claims, allowing funds to be withdrawn for housing, education, marriage and medical emergencies. As part of its digital transformation, EPFO has integrated over 120 databases, significantly improving efficiency. These efforts have reduced the claim processing time to just 3 days, with 95% of claims now being automated. Pensioners are also benefiting from recent reforms, as they now have the flexibility to withdraw funds from any bank branch. With over 75 million active members, EPFO continues to grow and modernize, aligning with Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision of ease of living for employees. This digital shift marks a major milestone for India's workforce, ensuring faster, more accessible financial transactions for millions of employees and pensioners.